Welcome to Pixly. I'm going to show you through our most popular features and why our customers around the world love us. We make it super simple to snap, tag, share project photos and videos with the power of tags instantly and automatically from anywhere at any time. The first thing you do is you open up the app. I like to have it right underneath the camera because we're really replacing the camera on your phone. So here we are. We have the Pixly camera. I'm going to take a photo right here. I can also toggle and switch to video mode. With video mode, you can capture up to 1 minute of video with audio. Once you're satisfied with the video capture, finish it and tap upload. Now, I can tap on the bottom left, or I can close out the camera to see the photos and videos I just took. Here they are. I can see them in a list view, or I can see them in a grid view. Here's a concrete floor photo I just took. Looks like the concrete floor might be a little dirty, might need some work, so I'm going to add a tag to it. And when I tap on the photo, the tag library comes up. You can have as many tags as you want, but I already have a concrete tag. So I'm going to tap for concrete. I'm going to place the tag right there on the photo. That one means there's one tag on that photo. If I tap on it again, this is where it gets really interesting and where there's lots of value. Underneath the tag name, I can add comments, I can assign tasks, and I can attach more photos or videos. If I hit the slider and add comments, tap add comments, I can type them in, or I can do voice to text. So right here, guys, we need to clean up this concrete. It looks a little dirty, and we have the owner coming by in a couple days. Please get this squared away as soon as possible. Now, I just shared that. That will also be time, date, and location stamped. Now, above and beyond that, I can assign this tag as a task or as a punch list to anybody I want on my team that's been invited to this project. So I'm going to assign this to my guy, Pat Lang. Now, as soon as I do that, Pat gets a notification in the app and via email. He's been assigned that task, and we keep track of it in our punch list task reports. The other thing you can do is you can attach more photos or videos as you go. So let's say he's made progress, he's getting it done. He can take more photos or upload them from his camera. And everything's there, time, date, location stamped. The last but not least, and one of the coolest things you can do is you can do markups. If you hold your finger down on the tag, you can draw on it, just in case you need to add more detail. That's also time, date, location stamped. That's the power of tags. A few more things on the power of photos. If I go back to that same photo and I click on the top right, I can see who took it, when and where, latitude and longitude, time, date, location stamped. If I close that out and go back, I can see it on a map. I'm in this building right here. I can also download it to my phone if I want to, but by default and on purpose and by design, everything goes to a secure encrypted cloud. So we're not taking up any space on your personal device. We're not mixing your photos with your baby photos, motorcycle photos, vacation, whatever's important to you. Everything work and personal is separated. Now, if you want to create a new project, it's really simple. You simply tap on the down arrow next to the project name. I'm currently in my F Street project. If I tap the down button, here I can create a new project. And we automatically capture the address. So we're doing work in the Bookable Studios today, and so I'm going to call it the Bookable Project. Now I have my new project. There's no photos in there. There's nothing in here, but we have our new project. And then I would start taking my photos. Or video. Close out the camera, and here's the photos and the videos I just took. So anybody you invite to your team will have access to these. And anybody invited to your team that also takes photos or videos, you'll also see them here as well. So this is a really important part of Pixly. Collaboration. You can use it for yourself, that's fine, but you want to get your whole team on here so everybody knows what's going on in your projects in real time, instantly and automatically. And the way to do that is you tap on the hamburger icon, which is our main navigation, and you go to people. And here's where you add people. So I can add members, I can type them in, or I can add them from my contacts. Now Pat got his invitation, and he'll be coming on to the project any minute and helping me get more documentation, more photos and videos, and getting the job done faster. So the main navigation is we have our home screen, we have albums. You can have as many albums as you want. You can also have private albums. To create an album, tap on the album tag. You can have a public album, which means anybody in the project can see it, or you can have a private album. That private album can just be for you or anybody else you want. You might not want the owner or certain people to see what's going on in the project, and that's where that becomes a valuable feature. I'm going to create an inspection album. And then it's going to ask you to add photos or videos. In this case, you can upload photos from your phone if you want to. You can take them with the camera, or you can upload them from your gallery. I'm not going to do that at this time, though. But I'm going to create one more album, which is tenant improvement, because Pat's constantly doing upgrades to support his tenants. And that's how albums work. Now, to switch between projects, you basically just go back to that same down arrow right here. I'm in my bookable project. These are all my workspaces it's going through first. But underneath my Pixly workspace is all my Pixly projects. So I'm going to go back to my F Street project. This is my main project. With Pixly, you can have unlimited workspaces, unlimited projects, unlimited albums with the Pro version. So here's those same photos I just took back and forth. The other thing I want to show you is the power of our search. This is really important. So a dispute or an issue or something might come up today, tomorrow, or years from now. And that's when Pixly becomes really valuable, because we make it very easy to find the photos and videos you want whenever you need them. The way you do that is you tap on the filter, and you can search by date range, you can search by tag, you can search by person or by albums, and very soon you'll be able to search by AI. But right now I'm going to search by tags. And I just want to see my concrete tags. Apply the filter. Here's all my photos that have been tagged with concrete. At the top left is the one I just did a minute ago, right? And here's all the other ones. So that's the power of Pixly Search. If you want to clear the filter, tap on the filter and reset it. Now, right now, I want to walk you through basically the main icons, the main app. So you have your home screen, which takes you to your current project. Again, to change projects, you tap on the down button right there. And then we have our albums right next to the home screen, where you can better organize as much as you want and have as many albums as you want. Some people want to have pre-existing conditions, pre-construction, excavation, foundation, all the way through build-out and tenant improvement and handoff. The camera is always there, right there, smack in the middle, so you can always take photos and videos. That's the whole point. And to my right, which is a great feature, is our dashboards. So here you can see what's going on or not going on your projects. You can tap into any of these. I see I have 12 people on my project here. Here's my current team. I got a couple pending invites out. And I can add people as well. Again, Pixly is a collaboration platform. Back to my dashboard, I can see I have 9 albums, which is great. These are my different albums. I've got 303 different photos and videos for this project so far, which is fantastic. Again, you can have unlimited photos and videos, the more the better. I have 185 tags that have been used. The project's been going on for over 1,300 days. And here's what's really cool is I can see what's completed or not completed. So I tap into completed tasks. I can see what's pending, which means it's been assigned but not completed yet. Here's the one I just did a few minutes ago. And then here's all my completed tasks. So that's the dashboard. Everybody on the project, the photos, the tags, the to-do, the punch list, and the completed tasks. The other thing I want to show you really quick is your settings. So on settings, you tap on the gear icon, and here you have your profile. You can add your photo, or add your project photo if you want, your phone number, etc. You can change your password. That's pretty self-explanatory. Here we have our tag library. So this is one of the best places to create and edit and manage your tags in general. So here's where all my tags are. The ones that have a globe next to them means they're a global tag. That means they're on all my workspaces. The other ones mean they're project specific to the project that I'm in right now, which is my F Street project. I can create tags here and add them to the global workspace if I choose to. The other thing in here I want to show you is notifications. So notifications are invitations, new albums, new tags, tags placed, comments, assigned and completed tasks. That's all in the app. You can get all those notifications in the app. Most people definitely want to know when they've been assigned a new task or a task has been completed. Then we also have email notifications. Same list. You can toggle them all on or all off. That's up to you. I like to leave all the in-app notifications on. Then lastly, here's where you can log out, and it shows you your most recent version of Pixly. Make sure you're using the most recent version because we're constantly upgrading the product. I'm going to go back to my home screen. I'm going to tap on the top left hamburger icon. This is all we do and everything that we do. And we've gone to great lengths to make Pixly super simple and easy to use. It's built for the field. It requires very little to no training. Most people get it within a minute, and it becomes part of their everyday workflow. So take photos. It's right there. The camera's always right there. The project feed, it's like a private Instagram. It's always right there. List view, grid view. Albums, you can organize by albums if you want. You can have public and private albums. The to-do punch list, showing you a list of everything that's been pending, that's been assigned but not completed, and completed, one of our most popular features. Notifications, that tells you when something's been assigned to you or you requested a report. People, again, Pixly is a collaboration platform. Invite your team. Have everybody document and collaborate on the same project instead of texting and emailing photos back and forth all day. Then we have our dashboard, which I showed you as well, which shows you everything going on in the project. And anything I've showed you, again, you can change between by clicking that down arrow next to the project name. I'm in my F Street project. But if I want to switch and see the dashboard on another project, I can do that too. Here's my dashboard for Do It. The other thing is the settings that I showed you, and that's the entire navigation for the mobile app. Workspace dashboard. So here's everything going on in my workspace. Here's all my projects listed underneath my Pixly workspace. Again, you can have unlimited projects. Now I can switch workspaces. So if I want to switch workspaces, I'm going to go to my Ameliala workspace, and I'm going to go to my project. And now I'm in my Ameliala project. So Pixly is great for new construction, commercial real estate inspections, facility management, facility technical services, anything and everything you need to document, improve your work, and protect yourself from disputes. And also to never run out of storage and have everything in one secure place where it's easy to find whenever you need it. There's a powerful desktop version as well, which we're excited to show you next.